everyone. Today we're going to talk about Venn diagram. Venn diagram is otherwise called the set diagram or the logic diagram. So this Venn diagram is going to be needed in a branch of math called set theory. So let's go over some examples here. So we have here 3 circles and they are overlapping. So this numbers that we have here talks about the students that are taking classes. So there are 3 classes that are listed in this example right here. We have a biology, math, and English. So we are going to determine how many students are taking math. So I'm gonna use different colors so we can better see what's going on. So I'm gonna use green for math. So this circle right here, so all of the numbers that are in here are actually taking math. So if we add 32 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7, which is 50. So there are 50 students taking math. Now we move on to the next one. How many are taking biology? So for biology, it's going to be over here. I'm going to use yellow for that. So we are going to count. So the numbers that we're counting are 15 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 is 29. So there are 29 students that are taking biology. Let's take those that are singleton first. So let's take the English first before we move on to the other one. So I'm going to use blue for the English here. So that is this circle right here are the ones that are taking English class. So that would be 20 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 is 35. So there are 35 that are taking English. Now let's move on to the combination. So let's have biology and English. So for biology and English, the number of students that we're going to be looking at is that it's the intersection between these 2 circles, the yellow and the blue. So what is the intersection between those 2 circles? We're talking about biology and English. So it is this corner right here. So I use a red color for that. So there are 8 students that are taking both biology and English. Now let's have those number of students that are taking math and English. So math and English is right here. So this would be, I'm going to use blue for this. So this would be for math and English. So 5 and 7 is 12. So that's math and English is 12. Now let's move on to the third one right here, biology and math. So it's between the yellow and the green. So biology and math would be this part right here. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Now, how many students are taking all 3 classes? It's the one that is located at the center or in the middle, which is 5. It is the intersection of all of the circles. Okay, now let's take another example right here. So what I would want you to do right now is I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem out on your own. And when you're done, and pause it and check your answer. Okay, so let's go over this. Let's start with golf first. So these are, again, the number of students that are participating in different sports. So first we have swimming, basketball, and golf. So let's take the golf first. So this circle is for the golf. So then we can count all of these. So that would be 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 18. And then we move on to basketball. So it's going to be this circle right here. So this circle, the numbers that we're adding would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. So that's 11 right there. And then the next one is swimming. So that this is the circle that we're going to be looking at, the blue one. So that would be 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5 is 22. So that is 22 right there. Now let's move on to the combination. So let's start with basketball and swimming first. So basketball and swimming's right here. So this circle right here is basketball and swimming. So that is 6. And then we move on to swimming and golf. So swimming and golf is right here. So that is 5 and 9, which is 14. And then basketball and golf is this one right here. So this corner right here, or this intersection right here. So that would be a 7. All 3 sports are the ones in the middle. That's the intersection of all 3 circles. And that is a 5. Did you get the same answers as these? Good. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!